Hey guys, thank you for coming at Kingdom Vote, and today I would like to teach you a technical tool that will take you to the next level in Forex. This technical tool is so powerful that works on any type of time frame strategy and any market pair. That's right, it can be applied to all 7 types of strategy within the Forex market: trend strategy, range strategy, reversal strategy, breakout strategy, hedging strategy, news release strategy, and arbitrage strategy. I can assure you that you have never heard or seen this before. That's because I am the one who created the technical tool. It is called the technical blueprint. But first, you have to learn about support and resistance to understand the Forex blueprint. So, what is a support and resistance? Well, I'm glad that you asked. Support and resistance are high-lows levels within the market which are developed by traders around the world. The market will either respect it and repeat it, or break it and create another level. Support and resistance is a technical tool which helps you identify new trend direction, reverse point, and future prediction. Look at the market right now as a euro dollar on a weekly chart, and basically what we are trying to do is we're trying to look at the high points of the market, and we're also looking at the low points of the market. You're basically looking at somewhere around 7 to 8 years of back history, and we're trying to look for something that is called the CSR. The CSR stands for Central Support and Resistance Level, and this is basically the heart of the market. In order for it to be broken is probably some type of economic news that is actually breaking it. Sometimes it actually breaks it just a little bit and then it goes right back in. Now it's not too much of a perfect central line support and resistance, but I could tell you one thing: as we go lower in the time frame, we could actually adjust it and update it, and you're gonna see how awesome this thing is going to be, especially when we're trading on a lower time frame. So we're looking at here at the weekly chart, and basically I already drawn one that is right here where I'm seeing where the market is kind of fighting some little bit. Here it was a natural resistance, it bounced it off. Here was some type of economic news, as you see is a long bar, and then it just dropped right back again. It did the same thing as here, and it did the same thing right here where it broke and then just bounced. Same thing over here. So we're having the same pattern that's been occurring a couple times. Now we could rise it up just a little bit, and it looks like a lot more better right here, where here was an actual support and here was a resistance. It actually broke. It broke again going down, so it looks pretty good. Here was also another support where the market just basically bounced. So I'm more confirmed. I could actually say that I trust this part right here, this level right here, which is a 1.40 861. But then again, remember that as we go lower time frames, we're gonna start to adjust it so it could be right. Okay, now these high points right here, as you see in the market, I usually changes the color. I usually like to put it blue as a support, and here is a red. Now basically what I'm creating is a high points and low points, but it's kind of like a overbought, oversold. I'm actually using the market itself as an indicator, which is an indicator, and if you learn how to read it, you're going to be very, very profitable. Well, I do have a template that I have already made and designed, so we could speed up the process here. And basically what you're looking at right now is all of the support and resistance that the market is actually respecting. As we go into the lower time frame, you can actually see how accurate it becomes. As you can see, it kind of bounces off a couple times here and there. As you're looking into my chart, you're actually seeing some gray lines Okay, those green lines were actually designed on the lower time frame on the 4, where we basically kind of adjusted it just a little bit more better. You see here is using it as a support. It's bouncing off one of the resistance levels, and then it just completely breaks and goes to another. And this is something that is so amazing, because as we scalp at the market, or we day trading, or any of those type of things, or news release, or just following the trend, reverse points, whatever it is, whatever type of strategy that we're using, or the style of trading that we've been using for quite some time, I could guarantee you, by using this technical blueprint, you will have more accuracy on placing the trades. You see, accuracy is all about making the right decision at the right time. That's what accuracy is all about. And if you know how high the market may go and how low the market may go, it gives you a really nice prediction on what level and how high it may go and how low it may go. And it's even better for our performance. It gives us a better idea, better prediction. And this is not just any regular line. Okay, when we look at the technical blueprint, we're basically looking at a weekly chart, as you saw. So those support and resistance that you're actually seeing is basically almost 8 to 10 years back. And in order for it to be readjusted again, we have to wait another 8 and 10 years. So this is a good solid support and resistance, and it is really, really good. I really like it a lot. So here we go. We have a resistance here. You can actually see the market bounced off one of the supports. Here became a resistance. Here became a resistance. Here is another resistance. Somewhat it just kind of went off a little bit and bounced right back again. It respected the line, so this actually became a resistance right here. Here's another support. Here is really close to this main support right here. As you can see, is a resistance, so it does respect the lines. Now if there's some type of economic news, it might go off just a little bit, but it doesn't mean it's not gonna go right back down. Now, like I said before, any type of strategy that you like, either you do hedging, or you do breakouts, or do reverse, or you do whatever it is that you do into the Forex, this technical blueprint is going to help you so much in making the right decision at the right time. It's a low risk and high gain take profit. It makes it really better for the entry and for the exits. Well guys, I'm pretty done here right now, and if you want any type of information, let me know. Leave any comments on the YouTube or on Facebook, and I will respond back. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.